Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, to girls and welcome Laga, and I'm back with another video. For today's video we are reviewing this lovely wig. So this is from Celie Hair, and yeah, the wig is a 24-inch. I've got to say, this is a super long wig to be a 24-inch. This is like a South African 30 or 28. Let me stand up and show you like how long it is touching my bum. Can you see that? In South Africa I think this would be like a 30-inch or a 28-inch. This wig is a 5x5 lace frontal and it is 180 density, and it is definitely giving that. I think this is like 200 density, child. Like, this company, when it comes to hair, they know what they're doing. Like packaging and everything. Like, look at the packaging. If you're buying your hair from this company, just know that you'll get a lot of goodies that come with this package, and also the density, child, and the length. Let's talk about that, because wow, you are definitely getting what you're paying for. Is a 5x5, but it definitely looks like an ear to ear. So if you are a beginner and you're looking to like sort of like you want something that's easy to do or something that's easy to maintain, maybe you can go into first purchasing a 5x5 instead of purchasing a 13x4, and yeah, you'll just progress from there. This is definitely it. This is beautiful hair. This is stunning hair, child. Can you look at the density, the length? Let's talk about that. Can you see that, child? Okay, let's go straight into the video. Let us go. Let's go. These are the goodies that came with the hair, you guys. As I've mentioned, it came with quite a few goodies that are really needed when installing hair. So this is it. So I'm going straight into installing my hair, and I'm just looking at where I want it to sit, and I'm going in with my Ghost Bond. I'm applying the first layer, and then I'm going to go in with the second one. However, I'm also going to wait for the first layer to dry off before applying the second one. So I'm letting it dry off, and then I put on the second layer. And after putting on the second layer, I'll make sure that it is dry, clear dry, and then I put on the hair. I think a 5x5 is really simple to do. So I'm putting it on, and I'm going in with my comb so that it is laid properly. Make sure that it is laid properly and it is stuck on your head properly. And then I'm going to go in with my scissors just to cut the lace, and make sure that you cut off those edges at the end, because it really does not look cute if you don't cut them. So make sure that you cut those ends as well. So over here I'm looking for spots where I still need to put on glue because it's not stuck on properly. So I'm going in with a little glue, and I'm also going to wait for it to dry off clear properly, and then I'm going to stuck on the weave again. Make sure that your entire wig is stuck on properly so that you get that perfect melt. And then I'm going into doing baby hairs, and you guys already know that baby hairs kill me, child. They kill me. Let me know what you think about my baby hairs. Do you think they look nice? Do you think they look proper? Or like, what do you think? Let me know, what do you think about my baby hair? I honestly think that it came out better than I thought, but let me know what you think. But I really think that it really came out better than I thought. I think it's beautiful. I think this is nice. I'm also going in with my Got To Be spray for any spots that are maybe not stuck down properly. This one helps me finish with everything, and maybe spots that I did not see, so I'm putting it there. And I'm also going in with my band, the band that you use to lay down your wig properly. So I'm gonna leave that on for like 15 minutes or so, and then yeah, I'm going in with my iron just to straighten out my hair. This iron, when I say this iron, irons everything. Like literally it makes your hair look silky, and it gives it what it is supposed to get from the iron. Like it does it. It is a proper iron. So this is it, you guys. This is the beautiful hair, and I'm just going on with the iron on top and also on the other side as well. So that is it for this video. For those of you who would love this wig, I'll definitely leave the link in my description box. So make sure that you check out my description box if you need this wig. This wig is a must-have, no lies, no cap. This is a gorgeous wig, and I think everyone should have this type of hair. This is luxurious hair at an affordable price, and also this company gives you the value of what you spent, and also they give you extra length and also extra density. That's what we love about hair, and that's how hair should be. So anyway, you guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Until next time, it is peace from me. Bye.